Welcome back to my channel. It's Oge here, and today's video I'm going to show you how to make coconut oil with these three coconuts that you're seeing right there. And this method is an easy method, a step-by-step full tutorial on how to make coconut oil. So do well to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell beside it, don't fail to like this video, and let's go ahead and start. First of all, I'm going to cut the coconut in bits so that it will be easy for my blender to blend it. There, this is the full three coconuts that I have, and then I throw it right into the blender. I actually divided this into two parts so that it will just help me blend it easily. And then I added warm water. Remember, warm water, so that you can squeeze out as much oil as it can from the coconut meat. So I go ahead and blend this coconut very well until a very smooth paste. It's time to sieve the coconut. You can use a nutmeg bag or a sieve. I use this kind of bag that can help me drain out as much milk as I can from this coconut that I blended. So you squeeze this milk very well, very well until the last drop is out. And this bag does it so well for me. So this is the chaff that I have remaining, of which I'm going to use it later for coconut flour. So this is what I get after squeezing the whole milk from my two batch. Then you close this milk for 24 hours and set aside. So after 24 hours, this is what I get from the milk. It has settled and have divided into layers. You can see the milk floating in. Now, these are the three layers I have. The first layer has the curd, the second layer has the milk, it has the oil mixed with the curd, and then the water settles down. So I'm going to go ahead and start frying this immediately. And what I do is to scrape the top, because that's where you have the oil. Just try as much as possible not to let water go into it. So I do that and put it into the pot on a medium low heat. This is it. Put it into the bottle. While it fries, the oil comes out and separates from the curd. And then you do that. Make sure you scrape the top and avoid as much water from entering the spoon as much as you can. Then while frying this, you turn your pot. Make sure you always turn it so that it will not get burnt. So you fry this until you get this golden brown look from the curd. So it's brown, and I've put off the heat and it is ready to sieve. But mind you, allow it to cool down before you sieve it. Now you can see the oil clear, clear, crystal clear. This is virgin coconut oil, and then the curd separated. So you use a sieve to sieve this. You can see the brown curds right there. Use the sieve to sieve it and extract your oil. Extract as much oil as you can as well. And remember to put your heat on low heat or medium heat if you want, and just monitor how it is. If the heat is too high, it's going to turn brown. Your oil is going to turn brown quickly. So you put it in a heat that will still extract that oil while giving you that clear color. So I extracted as much oil as I can from the curd, and I set it aside. And yes, this is my pure virgin coconut oil, ready to use, clear. Coconut oil has antibacterial properties that you can use for your skin if you have skin lesions. You can use it for your hair, it helps hair growth. You can use coconut oil as medicine. It's really a healthy food that God puts for us to enjoy. So yes, this is a virgin coconut oil. Do well to try this recipe at home and let me know how it did go in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't fail to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell beside it so that you'd always get notified whenever I make a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.